It's silicone. You're basically applying silicone on your skin. And is that safe really? Hello everybody, I am Pratibha Pikin and I'm here to talk to you about skincare, ways in which you can get clear, healthy, glowing skin, how you should take care of your skin, and if there's any other help you need, you can reach out to me and I'll help you out. So the products we are going to talk about today is Pond's Super Light Gel and Clinique Moisture Surge. So Clinique I have been using for 6 months and Pond's I just got like 2 months back. So I'll tell you how I think they are and how it affected my skin. Is it good for dry, oily skin? And should you buy it or not? We are also going to be talking about ingredients because in the end that is what matters in a product. So let me tell you the cost of this. So I think this is for 73 grams and I got this for 149 rupees from Amazon. And Clinique Moisture Surge is 30 ml and I got this for 1500 from Sephora. So this Pond's Super Light Gel, it says it is oil free and it is for non-sticky glowing skin, while Clinique claims it can give you moisture up to 72 hours. So while I was going through the ingredients of both the products, I realized that the ingredients are so much similar. So the basic component used is almost the same. So let's start with ingredients of Clinique. So this has a very fancy packaging, it looks very classy, but the ingredients are not stated here. So the ingredients you can get from the packaged box. I kind of threw it away because I got this like 6 months back. So I went through their Clinique website and then I searched in the ingredients. So it has a lot of antioxidants and various forms of niacinamide. So niacinamide, if you don't know what it does, it basically helps to even out your skin tone, reduce the appearance of your pores. It helps to protect your skin from UV sun rays damage, and it helps to soothe out your skin, reduce the blemishes of your acne scars. So niacinamide is mostly found in all of the moisturizers and skincare products. So Clinique has various forms of niacinamide. I'm going to list them down because I cannot pronounce them properly. And it also has caffeine, which is a very good form of antioxidant, and it helps to brighten up your skin and give that glowing look. So this has a very unique ingredient in this that is called Thermus thermophilus ferment. I think that is how it is pronounced. So that is a very rare form of bacteria that is found thousands of feet below the ocean surface, and it is very good to support the structure of your skin. It has a lot of antioxidants property and it helps to foam up your skin, keeps your skin firm. So other than all the niacinamide and antioxidants, it has glycol, which is a form of humectant that helps to activate more of the ingredients and bring in hydration to your skin, makes your skin look glowing. So this also has green tea extracts that is very good for your skin, and again it is a form of antioxidant. So the best part about this is it is fragrance free. So if you have sensitive skin or you are allergic to fragrance, you can definitely go ahead and use this product. Let me show you the texture of the Clinique moisturizer. This is how it looks. I'm almost finished with this. I love this product, and it is very light and it gets absorbed very nicely in the skin. So this claims that it gives you 72 hours of hydration. Yes, I would agree it gives you a good hydration, but I never kept it for 72 hours because I always wash my face before sleeping. But it does keep your face very much hydrated throughout the day. Coming to Pond's now, most of the ingredients in both the products are very much similar, but the quality of ingredients in Clinique is kind of advanced than this. This also has niacinamide, it also has a lot of antioxidants, but the various products that are listed down for Clinique are not present in this. This does have stearic acid, which is also a good form of niacinamide, and it gives you a lot of hydration in your skin. This also has hyaluronic acid, so it has sodium hyaluronate and hydroxide hyaluronic acid. So what hyaluronic acid does is it protects your skin barrier, helps to prevent moisture loss, gives you more hydration in your skin. So it is very good if you have dry skin. Let's talk about dimethicone. Both these products contains that ingredient. So it is a natural form of silicone derived from natural ways, and it helps to make your skin look smoother and gives a more glowing look. Now, some people do not like it because it is a form of silicone, but the use of the ingredient in this product is because it helps to retain the moisture in your skin and does not give you moisture loss. So as these product claims that they have long lasting moisture, Dimethicone helps to prevent the moisture from going away. It keeps the moisture intact in your skin. So the packaging of this is in a plastic box. It comes with a lid like this. I have not removed it completely, but the texture of this is almost similar to the Clinique one. Obviously there's so much of cost difference. The packaging would differ. You cannot expect a luxurious looking product if you're just paying 150 rupees for it. This is how it looks. It also has the same consistency. It gets absorbed very fast in your skin. It says it will give you a long lasting moisture on your skin, but I actually feel you need to reapply it after every 3 to 4 hours because it does not hydrate your skin so much. But nevertheless, it is a very good product. It does have a little bit of fragrance in it, like a soothing fragrance. So if you are not allergic or not sensitive to fragrance, you can go ahead and buy this product. This is very affordable and very good for the cost that you are paying for this. Let me talk about my opinion, which product I like the most. So I have this Clinique and I felt it is very expensive to be using every day on my skin, and if I finish off like 1500 rupees moisturizer in a month, I would feel very guilty for it. So I was looking through something in the same category. I came across Neutrogena Hydro Boost as well, so that also retails for 900 rupees and it is 50 ml. So I thought, yeah, it is good, it sounds good. Then I came across Pond's. This is around less than 100 ml and it retails for 150 rupees. And then I realized, why not try this? You know, it is cheap, and if it does not work, it is a moisturizer, like maybe I'll have to apply more. But I still went ahead and bought this. This has a very nice fragrance, but if you are allergic to fragrance, please, you can avoid buying this. Go ahead with the Clinique one because that is fragrance free. So if you want to go over and buy a luxurious product, Clinique is amazing. I love this moisturizer from Clinique. And if you want to go for a cheaper product and you don't want to spend thousands of rupees, you can go ahead and buy Pond's. As it claims that both the product are for all skin types. What I think is, if you have dry skin, you can mainly try and buy Clinique because it gives you a very good moisture on your skin. And if you have oily skin, I would recommend buying Pond's because it gives you a little light layer and it does not give you as much hydration. Although both of them do not make your skin oily, they both get absorbed very easily. They both give a little bit of shine, glow to your face when you apply it on. Both these products do not have SPF in it, so you have to apply your sunscreen on top during the daytime. Both of these moisturizers are very good under makeup, so they both settle down very easily. It gives you a nice soothing layer. Both these packages are travel friendly and I have fallen in love with both. Let me know if there are any other moisturizer that you want me to go through, look at the ingredients and tell you if it is safe to be used on your skin and if it does really help you with your skin type. I'll look into it, I'll try it out and I'll help you out. So guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon, and it takes me a lot of efforts and time to make a video to study the ingredients, if it is good for your skin, if it is not good for your skin. And then just takes you 1 second to press that subscribe button and press that bell icon, and I can help you out in whatever ways possible, and I am very happy to help you out.